A movie night out. Samantha loves going to the movies. She enjoys the experience of getting lost in a good story and being transported to different worlds. Every week, Samantha checks the movie listings and decides which film she wants to see. On Friday evening, Samantha meets up with her friend, John, at the local cinema. They buy their tickets and popcorn and find their seats. The lights dim, and the previews start. Samantha feels a sense of excitement as the opening credits of the movie begin. As the movie plays, Samantha and John are completely engrossed. They laugh, cry, and gasp at the twists and turns of the plot. They are so immersed in the story that they don't even notice the time passing. When the movie ends, Samantha and John walk out of the theater, still discussing the film. They both agree that it was a great movie, and they can't wait to see what comes out next. Samantha knows that going to the movies is one of her favorite ways to relax and unwind. She feels lucky to have access to so many great films and theaters in her area. She already can't wait for her next movie night. The following week, Samantha decides to go to the movies by herself. She wants to see a movie that John isn't interested in, and she's excited to have a solo movie experience. Samantha buys her ticket and some snacks and finds a seat in the theater. She enjoys the feeling of being completely on her own, without any distractions or interruptions. She settles in and gets lost in the story unfolding on the screen. After the movie, Samantha walks out of the theater feeling refreshed and energized. She enjoyed the solo experience, and she feels proud of herself for trying something new. She realizes that going to the movies is not just about the film itself, but also about the experience and the memories that come with it. As Samantha walks home, she decides to start a movie club with her friends. She thinks it would be a fun way to share their love of movies and to discover new films together. She can't wait to get started and see what new movies and experiences are in store.